PNC Cash Rewards Business Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're a small business owner looking to maximize rewards while keeping finances organized, you've probably heard of the PNC Cash Rewards Business Card ***. But in 2025, with new competitors, changing reward structures, and evolving business needs, is this card still worth it or should you leave it? Today, we're going to break it all down, from rewards and fees to usability, eligibility, and real-world examples, so you can decide if this card belongs in your wallet. Let's start with a quick overview. The PNC Cash Rewards Business Card *** is designed specifically for small businesses, offering *** cashback rewards on everyday business expenses ** like office supplies, telecommunications, utilities, and travel. Unlike personal credit cards, this card provides tools for tracking expenses, managing employee spending, and even integrating with accounting software. Most people get this wrong. They assume business cards are just personal cards with a higher limit, but in reality, they come with features tailored to business management and tax tracking. The headline feature is the ** Cashback Rewards Program ***. In 2025, PNC offers ** 2% cashback on your top eligible spend category ** and ** 1% on all other purchases ***. Eligible categories include gas stations, office supply stores, and telecom services. For a business spending $5,000 per month, with $2,000 in your top category, you'll earn $40 from your top category and $30 from other spending, a total of $70 in monthly rewards. While that may not sound like a fortune, these rewards accumulate quickly over a year and effectively offset operational expenses. The surprising truth is that many small business owners underestimate the impact of compounding rewards over time, especially when expenses are predictable and recurring. Next, let's talk about ** fees and interest rates ***. The PNC Cash Rewards Business Card does not charge an annual fee, which is a big advantage for small businesses trying to keep costs low. However, like most business credit cards, interest rates vary based on creditworthiness and market conditions. The typical APR ranges from ** 14.99% to 20.99%**. While it's best to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest, having this card provides a flexible line of credit for business needs like payroll, equipment purchases, or unexpected expenses. Eligibility is straightforward, but there are nuances. Applicants must have a registered business, an employer identification number (EIN), and a verifiable business address. Sole proprietors can apply using their social security number, but providing a business EIN strengthens your application. PNC also looks at personal and business credit histories, so responsible financial management is essential. Approval is generally fast for established businesses with good credit, but new businesses may face stricter scrutiny. One of the standout features of the PNC Cash Rewards Business Card is ** expense management ***. The card allows you to ** issue employee cards ** with individual limits, track spending in real time, and categorize purchases automatically. Integration with accounting platforms like QuickBooks or Xero simplifies bookkeeping and makes tax season less stressful. This is a critical feature for small business owners who often juggle multiple cards and receipts. Most people get this wrong. They underestimate how much time they can save using these integrations, which can translate into hundreds of dollars in labor hours annually. Rewards redemption is flexible. You can redeem cash back as a statement credit, direct deposit to a business checking account, or even as a deposit into a PNC business savings account. This flexibility ensures that rewards contribute to your cash flow in the most useful way. For example, using cashback to offset monthly utility bills can free up working capital for other business priorities. Let's address ** transaction categories and limits ***. While the card earns 2% cashback on your top eligible category, it's important to monitor spending categories each year. PNC allows you to select a category annually, so strategic planning can maximize rewards. For instance, if your business telecom expenses increase, selecting that as your 2% category can boost your returns. Daily spending limits are generous, typically around $25,000, which accommodates most small and medium business needs. Security is another strong point. The card includes ** fraud monitoring ***, instant alerts, and the ability to ** freeze or unfreeze the card via the PNC app ***. Employee cards can be restricted for specific types of purchases, reducing the risk of unauthorized spending. In 2025, these security features are more important than ever as cyber threats and fraudulent transactions continue to rise. Most small business owners overlook these protections until an incident occurs, making this a key selling point. One area where the PNC Cash Rewards business card stands out compared to competitors is *** customer support and services ***. PNC provides dedicated business banking support, which is tailored to small business owners. This includes help with dispute resolution, transaction reviews, and even guidance on optimizing cashback rewards. In 2025, fast and knowledgeable support is crucial because delays in resolving payment issues can disrupt cash flow. Now, let's look at a practical scenario. Imagine a small consulting firm spending $3,000 on office supplies, $2,500 on telecom services, $1,000 on travel, and $500 on miscellaneous expenses each month. If you choose telecom services as your top category for 2% cashback, you'd earn $50 on telecom, $140 on other spending, for a total of $190 per month, or $2,280 per year. That's a substantial contribution to operational expenses, especially when applied strategically to recurring costs like office supplies, utilities, or software subscriptions. A common question is whether the PNC Cash Rewards business card is *** better than personal cashback cards ***. The answer depends on your business needs. Personal cards may offer higher percentage cashback in some categories, but they typically lack *** expense management features, employee card controls, and accounting integrations ***. For businesses, the organizational benefits often outweigh slightly higher rewards on personal cards. Additionally, using a dedicated business card helps separate personal and business finances, simplifying accounting and reducing audit risks. Another important consideration is *** foreign transactions ***. The PNC Cash Rewards business card does not charge foreign transaction fees, making it suitable for businesses that deal internationally. Whether you're paying overseas contractors, purchasing supplies from foreign vendors, or traveling internationally for meetings, this can save you a significant amount compared to cards that charge 2%, 3% per foreign transaction. It's also worth noting the *** credit building aspect ***. While business cards generally report to both personal and business credit bureaus, responsible use of the PNC Cash Rewards business card can help improve your business credit profile. This can be valuable when seeking larger loans, lines of credit, or even investor confidence. Many business owners get this wrong. They focus only on immediate rewards and ignore the long-term benefits of credit building. Now let's summarize the *** pros and cons *** clearly. *** pros: earn up to 2% cash back on top category and 1% on all other purchases, no annual fee, employee card management and spending controls, integration with accounting software for easy expense tracking, foreign transaction fee-free, strong customer support for business banking, helps separate personal and business expenses, builds business credit profile with responsible use. *** cons: 2% cash back limited to one category, requiring strategic selection. Interest rates can be high if balances are carried. Rewards may be modest compared to premium cards. In certain industries, some smaller businesses may face stricter approval criteria. In conclusion, the *** PNC Cash Rewards business card in 2025 is worth it for small businesses seeking organized expense management, flexible rewards, and integration with accounting tools. ***. If your priority is earning the highest possible cashback percentages without concern for organizational features, a premium personal card may offer more. However, for most small and medium businesses, the combination of rewards, employee management, and bookkeeping integration makes this card a practical and valuable tool. For the right business, it's not just a credit card, it's a financial management partner that contributes to efficiency and profitability.